Hello and welcome to Moira, a university timetable scheduler, which is a website that automatically creates the best possible university lecture schedule, saving time and avoiding conflict. Now, why Moira? If we pay close attention to the university system, we'll notice that scheduling is often a manual process, which is time consuming, error prone, inflexible, and complex. Preparing a single timetable can take 20 to 45 hours depending on time it takes to gather the course information, creating the first draft, and adjusting it based on feedback from faculty and students. And even after all these rigorous processes, there is still high risk of conflict and double booking, difficult to accommodate last minute changes, and must satisfy multiple constraints simultaneously, which involve the room size, the lecturer availability, and many other factors. Now, we propose a solution which is automated scheduling. What do you mean by automated scheduling? Automated scheduling in the sense that you provide all the necessary details, and using those details, we automatically schedule a timetable that will serve the purpose. And it has key features, which is automated optimization, multi-constraint optimization, real-time validation, manual fine-tuning, and role-based access. Automated optimization in the sense that it automatically find the best solution using powerful scheduling algorithms, so everything fits together smoothly without conflict. Now, speaking of algorithm, we use two options in creating this timetable. The first is constant programming, which finds the provable best schedule. It takes 2 to 5 minutes for 300 courses and is guaranteed correctness. The option 2 uses two core algorithms, the first being the greedy initialization and the second being the simulated annealing. This is a fast solution. It generates in 30 to 60 seconds using the same 300 course. It's good quality, near optimal solution, and no external service needed. Now, moving forward, this application is actually divided into three roles, which is the admin, the faculty, and the students. The admin dashboard is a complete system overview which has analytics and statistics, data management, timetable generation, and publishing. The faculty dashboard includes a personal schedule view, availability management, course assignment, and conflict notification. While the student dashboard has the class schedule, the room location, the course information, and ability to export to calendar. Moving forward, we will show a live demo of this application. You can see you sign in, you can sign in using the user for first. After signing in, it brings us to our dashboard where you can see all the list of things you can do. You see you're assigned to group CSC 100 level, group A, computer science, and year one. You can come to your schedule to see your schedule. You see your courses, and you can see for now no public schedule. So we log out and we log in as a faculty member. After logging in, you see there's no public schedule available yet. The department is computer science, the load percent is 0 because there's no schedule yet. And we log out, we log in as admin. Now we are logging in as admin, we see all the options available for us to do. You see there are 20 courses, 67 instructor, 89 room, 2 students, 108 groups, and one timetable, which is archived because for now we are not publishing it for now, so it's archived. Once we want to create a timetable, we come to timetable, we click on generate new timetable, we set the timetable name, let's call it week 1 timetable. We set the semester, first semester, we set the year 2024-2025, and we leave it at default configuration, time limit 600. We generate timetable. Boom, we have generated a timetable, which if you see the fitness score is 1000, meaning that there is no conflict, everything works out smoothly. We go through it and we can go ahead to publish this timetable. After publishing, the faculty member will be able to see the timetable and the student will be able to see the timetable as well. Now, moving forward to course, we can click on course to manage the courses. You can see the list of the courses, we can manage them. You can click on instructors to manage instructors. You can also click on the rooms to manage the rooms available and the capacity. the student to manage the student, and the student groups to manage the student groups. These student groups is kind of, we can be in one department in one level but offering different elective courses, and we can come to constraints to manage different constraints. You can see the hard constraint, which is no room double booking, no instructor double booking and stuff. You can see the soft constraint, which is based on preference, and we can also see the working hours, which from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. And also we go to the analytics section, which you can see the room utilization. You can see how the utilization is. You can see the instructor teaching load. You can see Dr. CSC Professor A, he's been overworked. Now we see overloaded instructors. We see all these analytics, and that is it. Now we log out and we sign in as a student. Now signing in back as a student, the university, the admin has published the timetable. So now we are able to see that, okay, we have class today. We should attend our lectures today, and these are the lectures we have: CSE 104, 15, from 15 o'clock to 16:30, discrete mathematics, and we see the lecturer that is about to take it. And we get all the necessary information we need to get concerning the lecture and the location we are to take the lectures. And you can click on your schedule to see your schedule. And after that, we log out as a student, we log in as faculty member, which is the lecturer. After logging in as a lecturer, we can see list of things we can do as a lecturer, which includes seeing the percentage of the load being mounted on us. If you are not okay by the load, you can come to manage availability. To manage your availability, you can say, okay, at this particular period, I will not be available. You set it and you save availability. It will update the system. When next they are publishing a timetable, the system will take note of that. And that is it about the system. We log out and we go back to home. Thanks for watching. We move forward to the next phase, which is now future enhancements. Let's go through the roadmap of this application. The phase one, which have been completed, which is the core scheduling functionality, the manual editing, the basic analytic. The phase two, which is the mobile app and advanced analytic dashboard, email notification, and calendar integration. And phase three, which is machine learning for preference prediction, multi-campus support, real-time collaboration, advanced reporting. And phase four, which is machine learning for pattern recognition, predictive analytics for resource planning, integration with LMS system, and mobile notification. For technical challenges and solution, when in building this app, the first challenge was complex constraint satisfaction problem, balancing multiple conflict constraints. I use CP SAT solver with weighted soft constraints. Challenge two, performance at scale, slow generation with 300 plus courses. Solution, optimize solver parameters and implemented batch processing, and also implemented a local solver which uses greedy algorithm and simulated annealing, which is also good. Challenge three is data migration problem, moving from SQLite to Postgres. Now we did that migration manually using script and mapping with IDs. Moving forward, add the business value, return on investment, cost saving, reduce. Moving forward, you have the contact and resources to get in touch, question and answer First question, can it handle multiple campuses? Currently supports a single campus. Multi-campus functionality is planned for phase 3. The system provides a detailed conflict report. Yeah, thank you. Thank you for watching. You can reach me at jvc8463 at gmail.com. And you see my LinkedIn, JVC Bytes. Thanks for watching once again.